topic, that is product configuration, right? So as I mentioned yesterday, 34% weightage is from product side. So what is the product, how to configure those, and all these things we need to discuss, because that is the starting point in your company, right? So if you don't have product on setup in Salesforce CPQ, how you will deal with the code and order and contract and all these things what we did today or yesterday? So to complete that, you will get one Excel from sales rep that these are the 100 or 200 products. Those are divided into this category. This first 100 is from the software category, another 100 is from hardware category, and another 100 is from antivirus category. Again, they will divide that software category into another things, like this is engineering related software, this is the computer related software, then a mechanical industry software, then medical related software. So this way you can divide actually, and you should configure those products in such a way that those should be sellable in very easy, those should be sellable uh, easily. Sales rep should not care on those things like how they want to sell. They don't need to remember all these combinations, right? They don't need to remember what is my product name and everything. They that's the reason. What is your role as a CPQ developer? You need to provide a good UI to your sales rep that this is how you should select product. For example, let's take example. You cannot select the product B if you have not selected product A. You have dependency, but sales rep doesn't know. They will not go and check Excel like what products, which product is dependent on which product. So as a CPQ developer, you should set up all these things in a such a way that product B, if they are directly selling product B, you should hit the validation there. You cannot sell product B directly. You should select product A and then product B can be sellable. So these types of things are there. As part of coming 1 week, 1.5 week, we will be just discussing product configuration. So there are different types of products in CPQ. First is product bundles. Second is MDQ. MDQ means multi-dimensional code. Third is subscription product, and fourth one is usage-based product. So what are those? We will be starting with product bundles. That is very 80%, 70% weightage is here bundles, and then MDQ and subscription or usage. Those are very simple. So we will be discussing those as part of coming session. But let's start with product bundles, and then we'll come back. Not come back, but we have another last slide to discuss on MDQ and then subscription and then usage-based product. Okay. So let me go back and let's create one simple product for your purpose, and then we'll create opportunity and it. So if you want to create one product, let's take one example. If you want to create product, you will go click on product screen and you will create your own product. So I will say, let's create one product for yeah. So Aritra, like CPQ package configuration setting is first step actually, but I'm not taking that as part of first step because you will not understood anything there, because if you're not understanding CPQ concepts, then package level setting doesn't matter. So that's the last topic I am taking. But if that's correct, like that should be the first step. So if you go to the installing package and setting all these things is the first step, but I am taking that as last step while explaining, because you will not understood all this configuration in single session or two session. But that's the reason I'm directly giving you one link which will directly install Salesforce CPQ and billing everything. You don't need to configure anything. So that's the purpose. So if I go back to here, so you will not understood what is this document folder. You will not understood what is this line editor, right? So you will not understood product hierarchy. So there is no point to go ahead and explain these things because you will not understand what is this tab buttons. That's my point actually. That's the reason I'm taking this as last topic. But if you check our syllabus, in syllabus, if you see the sequencing is like introduction of CPQ package, but I'm taking this as last. Okay, fine. Thank you. Going back to product, how to create product. So let's create one product. Okay, so let's take example of creating product for example, I am working for any antivirus company, right? So as I mentioned, for example, I'm working for Norton. You can create Norton products. If you are working for mechanical industry, you can create CAD CAM products. So I will say, let's say this is CAD product actually. So I'm just giving you sample name, CAD CAD basic package. Okay, I'm just giving name. So this is, for example, a mechanical industry. You will give your product name. You can select your product family or hardware or software. So it is software category, right? and I will activate this, and then we'll come back and explain all other fields. Sorting order means it should display. So how it will display? So I will say 1, so it will be displayed at first. Otherwise I will say this is 100. So 100 means it will display at last. And I will not change anything here. We'll come back and explain all the fields. These fields are very, very, very important. Even if you take the example of hidden, what it does, what is this component? Each and every attribute in CPQ is playing critical role actually. You will understood from today onwards like how these particular checkboxes are playing role. You will get requirement in company that this is my free trial product, for example, free trial products, right? That means free of cost. We are selling few trial licenses, right? If you take the antivirus companies example, they are selling few trial licenses, 15 days license, right? How you will sell those so how you will create those things, right? So you need to worry, you need to think on that side, uh, how that scenario will be implemented. You will think like you need to add customization, but that is not the thing. If you check this optional checkbox, those products cost will not be added for the customer, that will be free of cost. So there, those things we will discuss. Right now I'm just adding product name and activating all other fields. I'm keeping all as it is. So only few things I'm changing, and that I will discuss later on. I mean, not later on, just let me complete that. And this is the Salesforce billing configuration. So don't worry on that. It's coming. This section is coming because I installed CPQ billing package. But if you are Salesforce CPQ developer, you don't need to worry about this Salesforce billing section. This will not come actually with the Salesforce CPQ package. That's the reason I'm directly setting few things here. I will be explaining actually, uh, but let me complete that and show you how I created product. So I created product, but just entering the name. I just created CAD basic package by entering the name. All other fields is active, sorting order entered. All other things are as it is, and we'll come back. And in coming sessions, like we'll be discussing each and every attribute. If I'm not discussing, just remind me. But obviously, we are discussing all the attributes here. So my product is ready. If I go to the code, right? If I open any existing code, let me check if there is draft code, right? So you can create your own opportunity and code. I'm just taking example from my existing code. If I click on edit lines, uh, how I can sell this CAD basic package? I should be easily sell that particular product, right? But it will not display here. That is the one of the important question in CPQ exam. So if I click on add products now, these are the existing actually. Let me delete this. You can use this actually, delete and copy paste here from these icons. And this is your code line editor screen. I will be again and again repeating code line editor. When I'm saying code line editor, that means like this is your screen. So when you click on add products, I can see four-wheeler bundle, quick heal dynamic, quick heal bundle, MDQ product, Norton product, but I don't see your CAD product here, because the reason is like you created product, but you have not added any price for that particular product. If you go to related list, you will see multiple things here. Those things also we need to discuss as part of coming session. That's the reason I'm saying product scope is very, very high. It will take 1 or 2 weeks to complete. So if you scroll down, I can see some of the prices I can add here from price books. So just click on add standard price book for now and give some price for this particular product. I will say $100. So you give the $100 price. So this is your product. This is standard price book, and this is Salesforce functionality, actually price book and everything. So I'm just activating that and giving $100 with the currency of USD. So I will save that. So now my product setup is done. I mean, at least basic product setup is done, and I should see the product here. So if I go back, click add products, I can see CAD basic package, right? And once I can see $100 is for that. So once I select this product, right? So I can see this, my product is added here with this product name, whatever I entered, with the quantity of one. You can change the quantity actually. So this is my price, whatever I entered there. You can give discount, and this is my net unit price. I will be discussing all the pricing fields in as part of CPQ pricing sessions, but just think on that side. This is $100, that season is here 100. If I change this quantity to 2, it should be 2 into 100. So if I click on calculate, that is the use of calculate. Calculate button will calculate the all this calculation. It will change your quantity to 200. If I save this thing, this is the very simple setup. We are going into deeper level now. So this is how you can see code lines. Your code line is created with this package. I mean this product. right? So let me check if there is any question. Okay, package configuration post installation. Yeah, post install, we will discuss that as part of package setting. CPQ package post installation as well. Configuration should not be the first step. Okay. You answered here. Product family should be created before correct. Correct. That's correct. Product family. If you are saying about this field, product family, then if you install Salesforce CPQ package, you will get nothing. You will get blank here. You will get only none. Right. So you will get none here. So you need to go and add these two fields. So I added those two fields. How to add? If you are from admin side, you know, like product family, it's up to you. It's a hardware software family, or you want to add computer engineering, medical, these types of families here. So family is not driving any logic. It's just for if you have 400 products, which product is from which category. You can easily identify that, and based on that field, you can add logic. So if you want to add one more value here, for example, hardware, software, and then antivirus, what you need to do every time, think on where we are. We are on product, right? And on product we can see product family field. So what you need to do, just click on gear icon, go to setup. If you're not from admin background, I'm just telling these things, how to add new value there in the family. You need to go to the object manager, and then if you go to the product, right? So if you go to the product, I can see this is the product. There are multiple object coming, but this is the object for product. You can see, just click on that product, and if you go to the fields and relationship, and just search by family here, because that is the product family is the field name, right? So this is the product family. Just open that. Who are from, and here you can add your new values. For example, if you want to add new value, I can see hardware, software. But if you want to add new family here, antivirus, for example, you can add that. Okay, so I'm just adding antivirus. Once I add that, that's it. You will see, once you refresh this product screen, you can see the product family here. This is the admin side you need in these cases, but I'm explaining this thing. Still it's not clear, who are not from admin, who are not clear on the admin side, they will face some difficulties to understand at least few things, but I will be here to explain you. Antivirus you can see, and you can select that. Okay, so I'm saying right now this is hardware or software, whatever you want, and I will cancel this. Okay, will you be giving assignment based on your session topic daily? So from assignment standpoint, for what my experience is from last couple of batches, if I give daily assignment, whatever I am discussing, just create those things in your system, and once we complete with the product, I will be giving you one end-to-end scenario there, where you can actually go and practice those things. So if you go to, there is one more PPT, where is that? uh, I will this product and this product. So these are the all bundles, and inside that I need this product, then feature. But I need to complete all the product related training, and then I can give end-to-end assignment. Otherwise, you will confuse totally how what I need to do. But to understand right now, to understand all these concepts, I mean, if you want to practice this, take any example, create any products, whatever you want. Nothing will crash. This is your free org, right? Try to do these things. If I give today itself assignment, then you will not understood anything. So at least try creating products, and then whatever I am discussing, because in daily sessions I am giving these examples, real-time example. Similarly, you have to work in your company. Like if they're asking to create product, create product, but you need to understand what are these fields. That's the reason that's the reason I will be explaining all the product related things, at least all the fields here, whatever we can see. Let's complete that, then we'll go back to related list, and then we'll complete some of the option and feature, and then I'm giving assignment, maybe 3-4 days, and then one assignment, 3-4 days, and then one assignment, because I need to complete that topic. Maybe one day one assignment if the topic completes itself in that same day. That's my point. Okay, so we created product now. Now, as I mentioned extra day, right? Not the snipping tool, spent, right? So as I explained, if I have 400 product, I will create one bundle, and inside that bundle, I will add multiple products. How to do that? Let's go to that scenario, and then we'll explain each and every field. So let's say you have this basic package. Let me clone this product again. So it will create another. So you can clone actually the existing product. and you can just change your name to SLM basic package, for example. This is another product. I will keep all these things as it is because I'm cloning and I'm saving. So what I did, I created another product. If you go to the related list, that is the second step you need to follow to assign the price. So these are the two important steps, and we'll go back and assign the $50 price for this particular product. So let me say, so we have two products now, right? So if you go to the product screen, I created SLM basic package, CAD basic package. So these two packages should be sellable inside one of the package, mechanical bundle, for example, right? These two products should be sell in the computer bundle. Then third one is medical bundle, right? I'm just created two products, but you can create 10, 15 products. Just clone that, create new products, and just combine those in the bundle. So what I'm trying to say, the first product is your CAD, second is SLM, and then your bundle, those products should be sellable inside the bundle. Those should not be sellable outside the bundle. So let me explain you what is this bundle concept. Bundle is similar to your product. How you create a product, similar to bundle is there, but two things are there: bundle product and actual product. So when we are saying a bundle product, go to product, create your new product. Even if you are creating bundle, you are creating product. So I will say this is my mechanical bundle, for example. I'm just giving example. So this is my mechanical bundle. Okay. I'm creating bundle. I'm keeping active. Okay. I'm not changing anything here. Just changing whatever I did there. So there are two things we need to change. I will explain this coming. I will come back and explain. But all other things, this is fixed price and whatever we did same setup for normal product as well. But don't worry on that. I will come back and explain all these attribute. You will not understand in single. Uh, you need to understand concept first, and then we'll come back. So these are the setting I need to do because this I install billing package, but don't ignore this. So what I did, I created a bundle, but actually I created product itself, right? Nothing is changed there. Even if I created SLM PLM product and I created now mechanical bundle, but I'm doing same step. If I'm going to related list and I'm assigning some prices here. Okay. So what is the change and how to identify actual bundle and actual product? So I'm just saying $1 for this. Now the point comes in your mind. I created three products now. One is SLM, one is PLM, and third one is mechanical bundle. All these products. But I am saying this product is my bundle. How to identify that? And that bundle should contain your, where is that? So this bundle should include these two products. How you can do that? How to do that setup? So in CPQ, we have this option concept. Any product with this option record can be considered as bundle. How to identify that? Any product with the option records created is your bundle product. Any product without these options is is actual product. So let me go and create one option here. This option means how many product you want to sell inside this bundle. So I'm saying I want to sell SLM and CAD inside this mechanical bundle. So you need to create two options. One is for SLM, another is for PLM. So what this option is doing, option is the junction object between your product and your bundle and your actual product. So this bundle, how you link this bundle to your actual product, SLM product? By using options. So let me create one option. So let me explain you how to create option. So what you need to do, you can see I'm creating option on this mechanical bundle. So automatically your configured SKU is your bundle. So what is this configured SKU? Configured SKU means your actual bundle. And what you want to link, this bundle you want to link to your SLM product. I'm selecting SLM basic package. So what it means, product option is the one of the object. This option is one of the object which will link your bundle to actual product, bundle to actual product. I will add all other details here and we'll save, and we are coming back and explaining these things again, right? So I'm just changing few things here just because you will not understand. So I'm saving. This is the first option we created, product option. You can see first option is created and it will link your SLM basic package. So SLM basic package can be sold inside the mechanical bundle. Let me create one more option for the PLM product. So you need to go to new. Again, you will get this bundle automatically, but this is for PLM product. So what is the name of that product? CAD, sorry, not PLM, right? So CAD product. So I will say this is 2 and we'll come back and explain all these fields, and I'm changing some setting. Okay, saving that. So what we did, we created 2 option record here. First is to link SLM to mechanical, CAD to mechanical. So what is this product option? So let me go back to yours. So product option is one of the object which will actually link. For example, printer. Printer is your bundle, and printer toner, printer paper, and printer are our actual product. So this is my bundle product, and this is my actual product. How to link those? You need to create options. So option is the junction thing which will link your bundle to your actual product. So similar way we did here, we created 2 options. Now if I go back to my quote, sorry, quote is already there, right? So if I go back to code and if I say add products, what will happen? I should see the mechanical bundle, right? I can see mechanical bundle, but I still can see SLM and CAD outside the bundle. Those things we can discuss, but if I selected mechanical bundle, I am on product selection screen. That is my first screen, right? So let's think on the screens as well. I am on product selection screen now. I selected bundle, forget about these 2 products, why those are outside, I will come back. But I want to sell these 2 products out inside the bundle. So I selected mechanical bundle. I will click select. I will get one more screen this time. I get this one more screen, that is configure products. So first screen is product selection. Then I get this configure products. There I can see mechanical bundle. Inside that I can see 2 options. One is for SLM basic package, another is CAD basic package. With the $50 for this product, 100 for this product, you can select both the products. You can change the quantity whatever you want. This is quantity 5, this is quantity 10, and you can save. This is the configure product screen, and then you will get third screen, that is edit code. That is the normal screen that we are getting, right? So here you can see, so we discuss on 3 screen. First screen is edit code, then you clicked on add product, you got one more screen, that is product selection. Then you selected mechanical bundle, you got another screen, that is configure products, right? So 3 screen, we need that. I'm just canceling that now, but we need these 3 screen. Now you can see this is CAD business basic package, that is standalone, but now you are selling this mechanical bundle, and inside that you can see these 2 products added. So this bundle is charging $1, this SLM is charging 250, and this CAD is charging 1000. So total of this and this total is your quote total. So you are selling these 2 product inside the bundle. That's the first thing. Now my point is why if I am saying this product should be sellable inside the bundle, when I click on add products, why I am seeing these 2 products outside the bundle as well. So how to remove those from outside things, and it should be sellable in mechanical inside the mechanic bundle. What you need to do, you need to go to this actual product. When I'm saying actual product, go to actual product, then CAD and SLM, right? These are the actual products. So if you go there on product, there is one checkbox, that is component, right? So if you go and edit these products, both the products, okay? So if you go to edit, you will see uh, this component checkbox. So what is this component checkbox? This component checkbox tells us that this SLM basic package can be sold inside the component. Inside the component means inside the bundle. It cannot be sellable standalone. We cannot sell this product individually. So when I selected component checkbox, that's the beauty of Salesforce CPQ. Each and every checkbox I will be explaining, but I'm just explaining component now. So if I save this component, so I selected SLM with component true, right? And even same thing I will do with the CAD basic package. So I will select this component. So I will save. The use of component checkbox is you will not see these things outside now. Let me close all other tabs. So let me cancel this. Let me delete all other products here. Give you this fresh screen. This is your first screen, right? So whenever you click on edit lines, you will get this edit code screen. Once you click on add product, you cannot see this CAD and SLM now. I can see only mechanical here. This all other CAD and SLM products gone here from here because those cannot be sellable outside the bundle because component checkbox is true. So you can sell those inside the bundle. You can select this bundle and inside that you can sell these two both the product. If you want to sell only one product, go ahead with one product and save that. This is the configuration screen. I'm just explaining few things. What is the use of these three screens? I will explain, but I can see this is added inside the bundle, first thing and second thing. And even if I save this record, you will see both the lines added there, bundle as well as product. Right. So here, if you go to the code lines, you can see this is mechanical bundle and this is the SLM package. Any questions on whatever we discussing? I just want to take pause for your questions. Yeah, we'll come back to SKU actually. SKU means that is the unique key which we can use from product. So we are coming back to that SKU and everything. So there are few fields from SKU side. So we'll come back actually. There is what is that field name? But we'll come back to that. There is one field actually to populate the SKU. Yeah, this one, config description pattern. So here you can populate. SKU is something is unique key for your product. So we will come back to that. So let me see if you have more questions here. Just type if you have any. So after adding to bundle, and you can just in unmute and ask as well. There's no worry. You can directly unmute and ask now.
Okay, hi Ragul. So after adding to the bundle, we should not keep the standalone products.
Yeah, that is based on how your business want, right? So as per my understanding, in my company, if you are selling those products inside the bundle, the scenario is like that. So in my company, there can be few products if you want to sell standalone as well. But the point is, if you go to the market, right? If you're purchasing that product with the quantity one, you will be charged more. But if you are taking multiple things from that shop, you will be charged late. So for what I'm trying to say, if you are purchasing inside the bundle, you will be charged less. But if you want to purchase that individual product, you will be charged more. These types of combinations are in companies. That's the thing, right? So if you are purchasing bundle, you will be charged less. I will be giving that example in coming session as part of pricing and discounting. But the thing is, to answer your question, 99% products which are added inside the bundle should not be visible outside for the selling, standalone selling or individual selling.
Okay,
Is
thank
it
you.
clear?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I thought bundle is just to categorize the product, but so it's for improve the selling also, right?
exactly. Pro the selling. That's the reason my statement from first day is like, as a CPQ developer, we should guide to your sales rep that how they should sell the products to the end customer.
Yeah, thank you.
And even as part of
Rahul, I
coming,
have.
yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead.
sorry to interrupt. Yeah, yeah. Regarding this option, currently we are considering product as optional, right? In bundle. So can we create it as a mandatory instead of optional? So
I'm not correctly getting your scenario. Can you repeat?
no, no. We have right during product selection. After that, we are going to configure product screen, right?
Okay, right.
Wherein you are selecting the optional two products, right? If you want
Yes,
one, you can select one. If you want two, you can select two, right? Can we make it
correct.
as mandatory?
Yes,
Like
we
we,
can do that.
okay, yeah,
Yeah, we can do that, and we will discuss those actually. If you just wait for me today. So there is one field as part of slide number 10, configuration type and event. We can make that required here. So let me show you actually. If you are curious to know, just read on that in meantime. If you go to the product, actually, actual product, no, not option, there is one field actually, configuration type and configuration event. If you make this required, that means this product should be required to sell when you are selling inside the bundle. So this is the bundle, but I'm saying about the uh, I mean actual product. We can discuss that. These are the two fields actually. If it is allowed or it is disabled or whatever you want, we can discuss that. But that's correct. Your scenario is perfect.
yeah,
When you're configuring, you should at least select one product, right? If you are selling product bundle, then you should select at least one bundle, and we can add those validation as part of bundle, as well as we have some option constraint there. So we will be discussing this option constraint as well. So why it's coming back, man?
yeah.
So
Thank you.
option constraint is one of the thing here also we can add dependency. Even if you are saying you selected bundle, inside that you have two product A and product B. Product B cannot be selected if you are not selling product A. These types of dependencies also there. So in short, as someone mentioned, like you as a CPQ developer, you are guiding to your sales rep to sell business. I mean, to sell the products. So we are going to that deeper level session, like how to guide them and how to create dependency between products, how to combine few times. Like, let me give you one example so you will understand the complexity of product. Sometimes what happens, if you are selling that product for US, so I have same product. Let me give you example so you will understood like what I'm trying to say. So let's say like you have product one. If you are selling that to US, it can be sellable. If you are selling to Australia, it should not. How to handle that? So these types of things are coming in picture as part of option constraint, and all the things we can hide, remove, disable, enable, whatever you want to do, we can do that. So that's the beauty of Salesforce CPQ, right? And someone asked yesterday, like, what is the difference between standard code and CPQ code? So you will understood these features, and then you can compare with the standard code. Standard Salesforce code doesn't have these types of functionality and all the thing. So you will understood as part of coming session what is the beauty of Salesforce CPQ and how it provides more and more features, and how they Salesforce CPQ help to sell more. So we'll come back to that. Mm, I think so. Kanchana, so after adding to bundles, so should key the standalone product? We covered, right? That
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Srinivas, can we make individual product as mandatory instead of option while configuration product? Can we make individual product as mandatory instead of option while
It's optional
configuration
actually,
product?
whatever we discussed now.
Okay. Can you explain about slower? What is this slower? Rita, can you elaborate more on this question? Okay, let me take one more. Is it possible to solve everybody's question? We can see, right? Everyone can see. If you are, if you just, okay, here you don't have setting to see everyone. Everyone, there is one setting, top level, everyone. So you can paste your make questions in everybody. When you are sending, just select the everyone. Uh, should not. Didn't see any question in chat box. Can option be sold separately? Okay, this thing, question related things we can resolve. You can ask directly. I don't want to focus more on that, how we can see everyone's question. Can options be sold separately? What do you mean? Like, can options be sold separately? You mean these options, if you want to sell separately, then why we are creating options? Actually, that is the reverse question. I mean, why we are creating options? Because you want to sold that particular product inside the bundle. If you want to sold that individually, then you can see, you don't need to create option. Actually, you can create a product and sell that as it is. So how you want to sell, you don't need to select this component checkbox, right? In that way you can sell this product individually. If you want to sell this product inside the bundle, then you need to create option actually. So this option will help you to link your bundle to your actual product. This is the use of option. So we'll be coming actually, because there are different level sessions, like I will be taking today itself actually, maybe if you get time, but we need to discuss everything here. Selected, what is this required, we can make required as well. So multiple things are there. So we'll come back to that. And even Mohit asked or someone asked, right? Required at option level, we can use this checkbox as required. So multiple things are there. So my focus is like today, I don't think like in 10 minutes I can complete product, but my focus is like tomorrow, let's discuss product options field, all the fields, how it drives the logic. So let's say on bundle, you created one option, right? And if you check this selected checkbox, what is this selected checkbox? Selected checkbox means whenever you are actually adding the products. So I selected this, it's for SLM, right? So if you go to the edit lines, that will be automatically selected. So by default, that product will be selected. You can uncheck that, but it will be automatically selected. So if I go to the add products, if I select mechanical bundle, and if I select that, you can see the uh, SLM product is automatically checked, right? Because we mark this selected checkbox to true. So that is the use of selected checkbox, because we selected this for SLM only. That's the reason SLM product is selected automatically. But you can uncheck and save if it is not required. But if you want, if you require, mark this as required, right? So what is the use of required? So if you check this required checkbox on option level, because when you are saying this, when you are doing this option level setup, it will be applicable inside this screen only, configure product screen only. You can see this is my bundle, and inside that you have options. When we are saying option, option itself is one of the product, right? It's just helping you to connect your bundle to your product. So here you can see, if I make that required, you cannot uncheck that flag. So if I go to the mechanical bundle again, I made this flag required, right, on the SLM side. So if you see SLM, you cannot uncheck that. It's grayed out. I can select this, but I cannot select this. So this is the simple use of these two check boxes. So we have just 5 minutes, so that's the reason I'm just explaining few simple things. But there is quantity control and everything, which we need to discuss from tomorrow onwards. Uh, so let's discuss this option with option related or quantity control. There is multiple things we need to discuss on this. What is this quantity editable? What is this quantity? What is this minimum maximum quantity? What will happen if I define something on product level? Because if you go to this optional SKU, it will open your actual product, right? So on product as well, we have some quantity fields. So what will happen in that case, right? So here also I can see quantity. So let's discuss those deeper level. So for next 2 days, our focus is like to explain you each and every field from the product object as well as from the product option object. So each and every field will drive some logic. Anyone has any questions?
Hi Rahul, can you share the link to create the CPQ org?
Yes, I have not shared here. Okay, sorry, my bad. Let me give you the link. Even I will share these two PPTs, but let me share this link quickly to everyone. Recording you will get daily actually. You're not getting that, Aritra?
No, I'm not getting. This Kanchana we didn't get to. I mean, me and Tejasri didn't get.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me check with Sheetal and team admin team, because every day we are uploading those and you will get access. Like you don't need to check. So they will give you all the links. We didn't get any video recordings. Okay. Let me follow up with someone from admin team joined today in this class. I mean, not for all student. Sanchi, you there? She's not there. Okay, I will follow up with our admin team, like to share all the recordings. It's not like daily you need to, they will share you one of the software, like there you can go and watch the recording daily. We will be uploading all the recordings there, so you don't need to worry about that. Every day we are uploading all the recordings there. So let me check with them. It's like first day, maybe that's the reason they forgot to send all these things. But my action item is like I will send this Salesforce CPQ org document. Then I will send this first PPT, whatever I am discussing. So you will get proper understanding, like from where you need to start. And we need to follow the PPT because you will understood all these things and you can practice those things. So we'll share this PPT, we'll share this Excel, and then once we're done with the next session, we'll be sharing all other PPTs as well. Okay. Okay, we have 2-3 minutes. Anyone has any question? I think someone posted there. Let me check. By when can we get? Okay, sorry. What is the use of optional for? So we'll discuss that. We'll come back to that. Optional for is not optional for is if your product is actually linked to your bundle, then it will create optional record there. Optional form is this is SLM basic package, right? So SLM basic package can be sellable inside the bundle. That's the reason we created product option, right? On the mechanical bundle. So if you go to the back, just want to revise you these things. If you want to sell SLM basic package product inside the bundle, we check this component checkbox. So it should not be sellable outside. And then we created one of the we go to the bundle and we created one of the option record here for that particular product, and this option will actually link your SLM package to your bundle. That's the use. And once you link this setting, if you refresh the screen SLM in the related list, you can easily find that this product should be sellable inside the bundle. So optional for it, Salesforce CPQ automatically create this record once you link any product to your bundle. So this way you can easily identify like this product is sellable inside the bundle or outside the bundle, because If you don't have these things, how you will identify like this time I know because I added this option record there. But if you have XYZ product, right, how you will identify like that should be sellable inside the bundle or not? Only on this flag? No, you need to go check your related list optional for will give you the link how many. If you are saying this SLM basic package should be sellable out in the two bundle, one is like mechanical and another is like software bundle, so two entries will be created there, so you can easily identify like this product should be sellable inside the two bundles. So these types of scenarios we'll be discussing as part of coming sessions. Okay, great.